Good afternoon, students. Standard 5, Subject Max, Term 1, Unit 4, Measurements. Observe these pictures. How we measure the length of an object. We will use tape or ruler to measure the length of an object. But what about one place to another place or one city to another city? How we will measure the length between these two places? We will need a unit. We will use kilometers, right? So, these all are the units of length. Let's see the units of length. First one is millimeter, simply denoted as mm. It is the smallest unit in all of the units. We will use millimeter to measure the thickness of a plastic card or the thickness of a smartphone, etc. Second one is centimeter. So, centimeter is simply denoted as cm. We will use centimeter for measuring the length of a table or the length of a door or the length of a book. Third one, meter, simply denoted as m. This will be used to measure the length of a wall. Next, fourth one, kilometer, simply denoted as km. This is used to measure the length of one place to another place or from one city to another city. Conversion. How to convert one unit into another unit. We already know millimeter is the smallest unit. So, when you are converting smallest unit to biggest unit, you have to divide. When you are converting biggest unit to smallest unit, you have to multiply. Let's see. Find 1 kilometer equal to how much meter? Let's use this figure to find out that. So, first see, kilometer is the biggest unit and meter is the smallest unit. So, you just need to multiply this. For this, first you have to multiply these tens. So, first kilometer to hectometer you have 10. Next hectometer to decameter you have another one 10. Next decameter to meter you have another one 10. Multiply these three tens, you will get what? 1000. So, 1 kilometer is actually 1000 meter. Let's see the next thing. That is, we are converting now meter to kilometer. How we will convert this? That same 1000 will be divided. Then only you will get the answer. Let's see the conversion. Convert into millimeter. When we are converting, how to see whether you are going to convert in a smaller unit or a biggest unit. Let's see this. First one is 70 centimeter. So, centimeter is going to be converted to millimeter. Centimeter is the biggest unit and millimeter is the smallest unit. So, biggest unit to smallest unit you have to multiply. For that, first you have to find out 1 centimeter equal to how much millimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So, you have to multiply this 70 with 10. So, 70 into 10 millimeter, you will get what? 700 millimeter. That is the answer. Let's see the second one. That is 65 centimeter, 6 millimeter. Here you have to see one thing. This 6 millimeter, it is already in 6 millimeter. So, no need to change anything here. You have to change the first one only. That is 65 centimeter. So, you already know 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So, you have to multiply 65 into 10. So, 65 into 10 plus this 6 millimeter. So, plus 6 millimeter. First multiply 65 into 10. So, 65 into 10 you will get 650 plus this 6 you will get 656 millimeter. Let's see the third one, that is 7 meter. So, meter to millimeter. Meter is the smallest, meter is the biggest unit than millimeter. So, you have to multiply this only. For this, first you have to find out 1 meter equal to how much millimeter? It is 1000 millimeter. So 7 will be multiplied by 1000. So 7 into 1000 you will get towards 7000 millimeter. Convert into meter. First is sum 7 kilometer 50 meter. See, 50 is already in meter, so no need to change this. But 7 is in kilometer, so you have to change this. How to change this? So first you have to find out 1 kilometer equal to how much meter. You already know 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So next you have to see kilometer is the biggest unit and meter is the smallest unit. So you have to multiply this, right? So multiply both of this. 7 into 1000 plus this 50 meter. 7 into 1000 you will get 7000 plus this 50. You will get 7050 meter. Next sum 850 centimeter. Here this is in centimeter and you are going to convert it into meter. Centimeter is the smallest unit and meter is the biggest unit. So smallest to biggest you have to divide. For this, first you have to find out 1 meter equal to how much centimeter? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. That's why we are dividing 850 by 100 meter. Let's divide this. First write 850 as the dividend. Next write 100 as the divisor. Now see how many hundreds are in 850. There are 800s, right? So 100 8s are 800. Subtract this. You will get 50 as the remainder. Now the quotient is in meter and the remainder is in centimeter. So you have to write the answer as 8 meter 50 centimeter. Let's move to the next sum, that is 2005 millimeter. Here also see millimeter, you are going to convert it into meter. For that, first you have to find out 1 meter equal to how much millimeter? It is 1000 millimeter. So you have to divide this number with 1000. So 2005 divided by 1000. First write 2005 as the dividend and next write 1000 as the divisor. Let's see how many thousands are in 2005. There are 2000s, right? So 1000 twos are what? 2000. Subtract this, you will get 5 as remainder and 2 as the quotient. The 2 is called as 2 meter and the remainder is 5 millimeter. So the answer is 2 meter 5 millimeter. Convert into kilometer. First sum 9000 meter. So meter to kilometer. Meter is the smallest unit. We are going to convert it into kilometer. That means kilometer is the highest unit than meter. So you have to divide. First find out 1 kilometer equal to how much meter? It is 1000 meters. So you have to divide this number with 1000. So 9000 meter equal to 9000 divided by 1000. Let's divide this. Write 9000 as the dividend and 1000 as the divisor. See the divisor, it has 4 digits. So you have to take the 4 digits. Now divide this. How many thousands are in 9? There are 9, right? So 1000 9s are 9000. Subtract this, you will get the remainder as 0 and the quotient is 9 kilometer. So the quotient will become the answer because you don't have any remainder here. So the answer is what? 9 kilometer. Let's move to the next question, that is 2300 meter. Here also meter is going to be converted into kilometer. Meter is the smallest unit than kilometer. So what we will do? We just divide this. So 2300 will be divided by 1000 meter because 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Let's divide this. Write 2300 as a dividend and 1000 is the divisor. How many digits the divisor has? It has 4 digits. So take the 4 digits of the dividend. How many thousands are in 2300? 2. So 1000 2s are what? 2000. Subtract this, you will get the remainder as 300. That is actually in meters. So the answer is what? 2 kilometer 300 meter. Thank you.